Yeah, the team is really quick with turnarounds and very accessible. So, and it can quick drive down the street. So it's been very beneficial to have them right in our backyard.
One of my mentors told me, he kind of reversed that question, got to come up in the path. He's like, just think if you did not have a satellite in your backyard. So he's like, you got to make sure you take care of the satellite, but you do not want to not have this capability in your backyard.
We have very needy customers in the sense of we have to deliver, and knowing that the resource is close by, it doesn't justify bad planning, because you got to plan your work your plan, but to have that in your back pocket is super helpful.
Definitely the ability to expedite it. As a Chicago-based distributor, most of our projects are within the Chicago metropolitan area, and having the satellite locally helps us meet lead times more effectively.
It also makes everyone look good to be responsive and just fill those gaps immediately. So take advantage of that.
If you think about it, Eaton's the only one that has this. It's a huge advantage for Wesco, for Eaton, but you got to take advantage of it, and it's a two-way street. We want to bring good business to them. At the same time, when we need some help, maybe have a different project. So we want to really build that partnership as much as we can. So it's very important. And it would be odd not to have. We've had it for a long time.